Search smart. Use wildcards. Wildcard symbols replace a letter or letters in a word and tell the search engine to find the word variants. Databases and search engines often use a question mark or a pound sign as wildcard symbols. Different databases may use different symbols for wildcards, so check out the database manual if you're not sure. For example, entering WOM?N gets results with both singular and plural forms. Wildcards are useful to retrieve words that have variant spellings. Entering digiti?E retrieves digitize with an S and digitize with a Z. Some words may have spelling variations in more than one character. For example, entering HMoglobin retrieves both American and British spellings of hemoglobin. Entering FLAV#R retrieves flavor and flavor. Incorrect use of wildcards may retrieve irrelevant results. For examples, CH?NG may retrieve chang, chung, ching, chong, chung, etc. WI?D may retrieve wind, wild, and so on. So you should mainly use wildcards for spelling variants. If you need further assistance, please contact the HKUST Library.